All right, teachers, here I am trying to make a quiz out of something I found on Teachers Pay Teachers for Free. This is Dibel's practice, Daze practice 1. And I'm just showing you how to do it. I know I'm using a Mac. You might not be using a Mac, but most of these would be the same. Here I have a PDF file. And as you can see in my PDF file, I don't know if it works the same for a Mac, but I can highlight. And if you can't highlight, then you can just type it in yourself. But I'm going to go highlight and Control C so that I can copy it. And then I'm going back to my quiz. Of course, I made an account already. And I am going to enter Command V. And here is what I found on my that sentence. Okay. And here again, I'm looking at drive, stay, and discover are my choices. So I'm going to go over here, drive, stay, and discover. I'm actually going to cut these out. Oops, I missed something. Control Z. And I'm going to cut these out. I'm going to put an underline there for the word that is missing. And I'm going to input it here, take the stay out and the rest. I mean, you can also, again, type it in if you want. Some people like to do that. That's fine. Now, I have my 3 choices for that line. There's a misspelling there. I'm going to fix that. All right, I'm going to click this to delete the 4th choice because I only need 3 choices. And then, very important here, make sure you choose the one that is the correct. Now, if I push save, it's going to tell me correct option not selected, so I have to select it. However, not all those who came through Ellis Island were allowed to stay in this country, so I'm going to choose that one. Okay, so now that's how you make it if you cut and paste. If you can't cut and paste, then you can do the whole half and half. Here, I'm going to show you. So I have 2 windows open. I'm going to go ahead and make another choice, put a plus sign, and this time I am going to type it in. Immigrant. I don't know what happened there. Did I stop it? No. Okay, I have to check something because it looks like my screen might have stopped recording. All right, it says that I'm still going, so I'm going to go ahead and go. Hopefully it is recording. Let me go back to where I was. All right. So I am typing it out. And again, like I was saying, if you misspell something, I don't know what's going on here. We'll see what happens. And medical. I don't know what's going on. This might not be working. Questions. Discussions. Okay. Get rid of the 4th option. And we have statements. Okay. Immigrants had forms to fill out, questions to answer. All right. So that is just typing it out. Now, when you play it, you have to be careful. So I'm going to show you how to play it so that you can see. I'm going to finish the quiz here. I can always come back. I'm going to say it's English, 3rd to 5th grade, because it is 3rd to 5th grade. I'm going to save that. I'm not going to share with anyone right now. And I can play a solo game. Homework is where I normally put it, and I put it as a class in my class Google Classroom. But let me show you how it looks with the solo game. Now with the solo game, they don't go in order, so you're not going to see the sentences in order, but when you do a homework, you are going to see it in order. So maybe I should just do that. Okay, so thousands of immigrants survived blank days at Ellis Islands each day. Okay, give them points. They love to see themselves go up. And these will be people that they are playing against. Immigrants had forms to fill out, questions to answer, and medical exams. I know the answers, so I'm going really fast. The faster you go, the more points you get. The immigrants arrived with high hopes. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and get one wrong. Many had a great deal of blank each. The United States, oh no, it tells me the correct answer. I got 0 points for that one, and I moved down. However, not all those who came through Ellis Island were allowed to stay in the country. I'm going to get all of these right. Again, they're in order if you put them in order. When the immigrants arrived with high hopes. Ooh, it gave me that one again. Cool. I didn't know it does that. This blank one of the reception centers set up by the United States. This was, again, it's not in order, so you're not getting it in order. All done. Tells them their accuracy. It also gives them this neat thing of study flashcards so that they can study. Dibbles, I just named it, so I'm going to start it. Many had to get great deal to blank to the United States. Offer, okay. I try not to show them that, but some of them will find it. It's okay. All right, so now I'm going back to my quiz. And I am going to my teacher dashboard. I'm going to my quizzes over here. I'm going to look at my Dibbles again, and I'm going to assign it as homework. Now when you do this, you're going to host the game, and right here is your options to shuffle the questions. No, I don't want my questions shuffled for Dibbles. My options can be shuffled. There's music if you want to turn it off. Memes if you want them. Timer, yes, of course. We want a timer. And show the leaderboard. Those are the things that excite the kids. So hopefully this is helpful and reminds you of what we did in our training.